Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Renders of Samsung's best budget king phones 2026, the Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 have leaked online, revealing a completely new camera module in a pill-shaped design. According to the preliminary data, Samsung will redesign the Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37, adding a capsule-shaped rear camera module and thinner screen bezels. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is preparing to release a new generation of Galaxy A series 2026 smartphones, primarily the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. Ahead of their expected release in the next few months, the first renders of these two models have emerged, revealing significant design changes compared to their predecessors. The latest leaks come from Ducks, a well-known Hong Kong-based accessories brand. The company posted sample cases for the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 on its official website, indirectly confirming the shared design of the two models. First, the Galaxy A37 phone case has a capsule-shaped camera design language. Judging by the published images, Samsung appears to be implementing a completely new camera design for this year's Galaxy A series. Instead of separate lenses, the rear camera module is now grouped into a pill-shaped frame, positioned vertically and protruding slightly from the rear. Notably, the LED flash is separate and located outside this camera module. Second, Galaxy A57 phone case. This design is largely similar to Samsung's recently released high-end product lines. The camera module is noticeably larger than before, further confirming speculation about a more powerful upgrade to the mid-range camera hardware. Optimization of screen frames and their characteristics. On the front, while there aren't any major structural changes compared to previous generations, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 continue to demonstrate Samsung's efforts to improve the user experience. The screen bezels have been thinned, creating a modern look and increasing the display area. Regarding technical specifications, previous reports indicate that both devices will feature an improved 50-megapixel main camera. According to industry sources, the upcoming Galaxy A57 and other family members may get OLED panels from third-party suppliers. The official launch date for the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 is very close. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.